In this video, I will show you step by step the fastest and easiest way to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to MetaMask. Now the first thing you want to do is to go over to your MetaMask. If you're on your computer, you just want to go over to the extensions and click on MetaMask. Now if you're on your phone, you just want to open up the MetaMask app, and from there the process will be exactly the same. Now what you want to do is to go over to the account right here and click on copy to clipboard. You've then got your wallet address, and now what you need to do is to go over to the Trust Wallet app on your phone. You'll then see a screen looking similar to this one, and you want to go over to the cryptocurrency that you would like to transfer. Now in this example, I'll be using BNB or Binance coin. You'll then see this menu, and you want to click on Send. Here you will see that you need to fill in the recipient address, the BNB amount, and, if necessary, a memo. However, leave it blank if not required by the recipient, and for MetaMask it's not required. So what you need to do is to click on copy to clipboard on your computer or on your phone if you're on your phone, and then you want to paste in your wallet address over on your phone. Now if you're not sure how to get your wallet address from your computer to your phone, you could send yourself an email, and yes, that actually works. And once you've copied your wallet address, you want to click on paste over on your phone, and you'll then have to fill in the BNB amount or the amount of any other cryptocurrency that you would like to transfer. This can be any amount, or you can also click on Max to select all of your available holdings. And now the last and final thing you want to do to transfer from Trust Wallet to MetaMask is to click on Next. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.